Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to embed a YouTube video here in Wix. All right. So first up, here under your Wix editor, just go ahead and go to the top left, click on Add Elements, click on it. Now go ahead and find Video and Music. All right. This one. Just click on it. As you can see here, under single video players, we have YouTube. Okay. Just click on it and it will be added. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to maximize it if you want to. And then I'm going to select it, change video. Okay. Click on it. Now, as you can see, it will let us search for videos, and it will also let us change the web address right here, or the URL. So I'm going to delete this one, and then I'm going to go ahead and open up YouTube, select a video, for example, this one. I'm just going to pause it, and then I'm going to copy the URL. Right click, copy. Go back to the Wix editor, paste that URL in here. All right. And do note that some videos wouldn't automatically reflect right here on your Wix website. That's because embedding on the YouTube settings might have been disabled by the uploader or the channel itself. Okay, let's just go ahead and find another one. Maybe this video right here. I'm going to pause it. And then right click, copy, paste. And there you have it. You can go ahead and turn on auto plays or place in a loop. Okay. And if you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and hit on preview, save it if you want to. And here we have the embedded YouTube video. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.